viewers. Today we are going to do an open box for TP-Link AX or Wi-Fi 6 routers. It's a mesh one, and the model number is, you can see it here, which is W3600 mesh. This is the two router setups you have. This I bought it from Walmart for $1,699. This is with the latest Wi-Fi 6 upgraded one, which you can use it for covering a large apartment or house. It has 2 units. Let's start with the open boxing or unboxing it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, it's nicely packed. Let's remove this. Okay, keep it there. Okay, I have one more box inside. Okay, let's see which way it opens. This way. Okay, so you get 2 of the routers here. One you can use it as a main, and other one as a add-on or a satellite one, or you can use, I think you can use both as a separate routers. So this is a TP-Link Deco W3600 with a Wi-Fi 6 capability. It's a dual band, I think. So let's take out both of them. It's nice cylindrical shape. And what else we have here? Let's see. Okay, you have the power card, and what else you have? You have the RSC jack, and you have a quick installation guide. You have it's not heavy, it's lightweight. It has 2 ports, 1 power on both. So I think the one is to connect from your router, and the 2 you can connect any other device. So these are the 2 things here. So for setup, you need to download the app, the TP-Link app. If you look at the guide or even in the box, it says you need to download their app. Simple setup. So you need to install the app from App Store or from Google Play Store. So the instructions are provided here. It is pretty straightforward. The one I don't know for anyone, drawback I would say, or a mandatory thing for the TP-Link is you need to create a ID with TP-Link to go through the setup process. Okay, let me download the app and begin with the setup process. So here I have my phone. I have already installed it. So search for Deco, then you will get the first one. Open. So the app will open like this. I did not connected my Wi-Fi yet. So let's start with connecting it. So once you connected it, you will see this blue blinking light. So that is blinking, then it's ready to configure. You have to use your app to configure your network. Now you will have create new network. So choose it, then choose the proper one and click OK and give next. So next, so the Deco LED is pulsing, so just pulsing there, so click. So I will try to connect to the router, so then choose where it is. I'll put it as living room. So you choose the connection type, everything is pretty default, and then give next. So here you have to provide your Wi-Fi name and password to it. So let me set it. So once you're done setting it up, so you'll see this green light on your Deco. So on it will show what are the devices it is being connected. Show you how to pair this other device. Now I'm in another room, so I'm just trying to pair this. Just connect it to your power outlet. It is pretty much the same thing. It will turn into yellow and it will blink in blue. So once it started blinking in blue, we'll use the app again. So it'll blink blue, so then just click the plus sign on your phone in the app. So once you press plus, then you have to choose the same. Just give OK, and you just need to tell whether you're in which floor you're going to set this up, and then next. So it's pulsing blue, so just click and it will automatically pair to the main router. So looking, so everything is good, then it will turn into green. So after that, after pairing it, so you'll see like this, two of your routers is online, so one will be main and one will be a relaying one. So now we come to the end. So we have done unboxing and how to set up this new TP-Link Deco W3600 mesh Wi-Fi router. I do have faced some problem with Xfinity when I'm connecting first time, replacing my existing router. The new Deco did not recognized by Xfinity. So the reason was the MAC address of my old router was still with Xfinity. So I have to delete the old MAC address and I need to register this new router. I faced this problem. I called Xfinity and sorted out. After that, it started working, and now I have Wi-Fi coverage in every corner of my home. So previously I was using Linksys, which I have a lot of drop connection, and if I go to one room to other room, the Wi-Fi signal is very weak. So now I do not have those problem. I would say strongly recommend this one with latest Wi-Fi 6. I know there are Google Nest and Amazon's Aero is there, but they are pricey. But for $169, two of the routers with Wi-Fi 6, this is a steal. The only issue I would say is that if someone do not want to create a TP-Link ID, so that might be, I would say, as a drawback. Apart from that, I am using this for a month now, and this is working well for me for my work from home option. due to the COVID-19. And if you have any questions, just drop me a comment so I can reply to you. And thanks for watching.